Very good morning, class. We are studying chapter 7 of Science Animal World. Today's topic is feeding habits of animal. So we will study today about the feeding habits of animal. Students, you all know that earth is full of living creatures and all the living creatures need food. Why do we need food? We need food to grow, to stay healthy and to get energy. Energy is required to do any work. In the same way, animals need food to grow, to get energy and to stay healthy. Different animals eat different types of food. So, all the animals present on this earth, they do not eat same kind of food because the animals present on the earth, some of them are herbivores, some are carnivores, some are omnivores. So, as their types are different, so they also eat different types of food. Herbivores are those animals who feed themselves by eating grass, plants, twigs, branches, leaves, etc. Cow, buffalo, horse come under the category of herbivores. Now carnivores are those animals who eat the flesh of other animals like lion, tiger, hyena, etc. Omnivores are those animals who eat both the plants as well as the flesh of other animals like dogs, bears, foxes, etc. So, as you have seen, the different types of animals are found on the earth. So, obviously, their eating habits are also different from each other. Their mouth parts are suited to the type of food they eat. What does it mean? It means the design of their mouth, the design of their teeth are also according to the food they eat. Like you have seen the cow. Cow has broad front teeth. The front teeth of the cow is broad in shape. But loin has sharp, curved front teeth. Why there is a difference? Because their foods are different from each other. What cow eat? Cow eat grass, leaf, branches, etc. And what loin eat? Loin eat flesh of other animals. So loin has to tear the flesh of other animal. He had to chew the bones and body of the other animal. So his teeth is according to it. It is sharp, curved, and the front teeth is sharp and curved. But cow has to chew the grass or branches or leaves, so his teeth is broad in shape. I hope it is clear. So, on the basis of feeding habits, three categories of animals are there: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Now, let's see the feeding habits of different animals. Bees and butterflies. Insects such as mosquitoes, butterflies, and honeybees, etc., suck their food. Basically, the insect, how they take the food? They take the food by sucking it. Like whenever mosquito bite you, it sucks your blood. Butterfly suck the nectar of a flower. In the same way, honeybee do. So, what is the meaning of sucking? Sucking means to draw liquid or air into the mouth. For example, you all have taken cold drinks. When you take cold drink with the help of a straw, okay, so what you do? You try to suck the cold drink in your mouth with the help of a straw. So this is called sucking, when you draw liquid or air into the mouth. These insects have long and pointed sucking tubes, as you can see in the diagram here. This is the diagram of a honeybee. It has you can say tube on its head. So these insects have long and pointed sucking tube. These tubes are also called sucking tubes, and the name of these tubes are proboscis. These are called proboscis. So with the help of proboscis, these insects suck the blood or nectar of a flower and feed themselves. I hope it is clear. Now, herbivores. Animals which only eat grass, small plants, twigs, branches of trees, fruits and vegetables are called herbivores. So, the animals who feed themselves by eating the grass, small plants, fruits, vegetables, twigs, etc. are called herbivorous animals. The animals who came under this category are cow, goat, giraffe, etc. All these animals come under the category of herbivores because they eat plants, twigs, branches, etc. Herbivorous animals have sharp front teeth for biting and strong broad teeth for chewing. So these herbivorous animals use their sharp front teeth. The front teeth is very sharp so that they can take a bite, and strong broad teeth so that they can chew for a longer period of time. Like you have seen the cow chew its food for a longer period of time because their strong broad teeth. With the help of the strong broad teeth, cow chew its food for a longer period of time. Now come to the carnivores. Animals that feed on the flesh of other animals are called carnivores or carnivorous animals. Okay, the animals who eat other animals are called carnivorous animals. And what are the examples of carnivores? Lion, tiger, leopard, etc. There are so many carnivorous animals. I have given 3 of them: lion, tiger and leopard. These are carnivorous animals. Now let's see what type of teeth a carnivorous animal has. Carnivorous animals have sharp and pointed teeth to tear the flesh. Their front teeth is sharp and pointed so that they can tear the flesh very easily. They also have strong grinding teeth to chew the flesh and the bones. The grinding teeth, their back teeth, is also very strong so that they can chew the flesh easily and chew the bones of the other animals easily. Bones are very hard and flesh is very sticky, so they need a strong teeth to chew the flesh and bones. So their teeth are strong for grinding, and the front teeth is sharp and pointed so that they can tear the flesh. Now, flesh-eating birds. Like animals, there are some birds also who eat the flesh. What are those? Eagles, kites and vultures. These are the birds who eat the flesh of other animals. They have strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Hooked beaks, anything which is curved in shape. That is called hooked beaks. So, eagle, kites and vultures have strong, sharp and hooked beaks and the claws to catch their prey. Basically, they catch the animals with the help of their claws and tear the flesh of the animals by their sharp and hooked beaks. So, these are flesh-eating birds. Now, omnivores. Some animals eat both plants as well as animals as their food. Such animals are called omnivorous animals. So, animals who eat plants as well as flesh of other animals means they eat the grass, flowers, leaf as well as the flesh of other animals. They are called omnivores. Man also eats, or man also come under the category of omnivores. Examples of omnivores are bear, dog, foxes, etc. They have sharp front teeth and the flat grinding teeth. For grinding, they use the flat teeth which is given at the back of their mouth, and the front teeth is very sharp. So, omnivores we have done. Now rodents. What are rodents? Rodents are animals like rabbit, mice and squirrels. And they have small and sharp front teeth. Their teeth are small in size, but they are sharp. They gnaw the seeds and fruits. Basically, gnawing. What is the mean of gnawing? They generally gnaw the seeds. What is the meaning of gnawing? To bite something repeatedly or to chew it hardily. So they use their small front teeth, which is very sharp, to nor the seeds or fruits, and they repeatedly do the same process. So these animals, rabbits, mice and squirrels, come under the category of rodents. So student, I hope the topic is clear to you all. If still there is any problem, you are free to ask me related to this topic. Now I have prepared one worksheet. It is not given in your book, but the questions are from your book. This is just to check your knowledge. So do it and post the answer of this worksheet in the class group. Thank you, class.